how to sign in to the POS. The first thing you will see when you open the POS is the sign-in page. Here, you will enter the email address and password provided to you by the QuickBooks team. After entering your email address and password, click Sign In and you will be directed to the next screen where you can select your store location. Select the store you are located in from the options shown or use the search bar if needed. Then, click Next. On the next screen, select the device or machine you will be using from the options shown or use the search bar if needed. Then, click Next. The POS will load and the main page of the POS will be displayed. And that's how you sign into the POS.